Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a garden for sushi. We'll cover everything from selecting the right seeds to harvesting your bounty. Imagine crafting delicious sushi rolls with ingredients you've nurtured yourself. It's a rewarding experience that brings the freshest flavors directly to your plate. Let's dive into the world of cultivating your own sushi garden. Growing your own rice might seem challenging, but it's entirely possible, even in a small space. You'll need a consistent water source, like a small pond or a large container that can be kept flooded. Select a short-grain rice variety, as these are best for sushi. With about 4 to 5 months of warm weather, you can achieve a successful harvest. Beyond rice, a sushi garden includes vibrant vegetables. Cucumbers are easy to grow and add a refreshing crunch. Carrots provide a sweet, earthy flavor and a beautiful color. If you live in a warm region, consider an avocado tree, though it takes several years to mature. These fresh additions elevate your homemade sushi to a new level. Once your garden is flourishing, the final step is harvesting and preparing your ingredients. Pick vegetables when they are firm and vibrant. Rice will need to be dried and milled after harvest. With your fresh, homegrown components ready, you can assemble delicious sushi rolls. It's a truly unique and rewarding culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.